In the last video, we had discussed only present continuous simple tense, and in this video, we are going to discuss the negative sentences. Magic formula is that subject am is are, not verb ing and object. And always remember, not always comes after am, is, or are. Like I am not, he, she is not, you, we, they are not. We use present continuous negative to say that something is not happening now. Here is some example of present continuous tense like I am not studying right now, he is not playing football, she is not reading a book, we are not watching TV, they are not going to school. Next is present perfect tense negative. Magic formula subject plus has, have, not, past participle and object. And time connection क्या होता है इसमें action happened in the past but has a connection with the प्रेजेंट कि आपका एक्शन जो है वो पास्ट में हो रहा होता है लेकिन उसका कनेक्शन किसके अंदर होता है प्रेजेंट के अंदर होता है वो यूज़ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट नेगेटिव टू टॉक अबाउट दैट हैज़ नॉट हैपेंड अप नाउ एंड यूज़ हैव नॉट विद आई यू वी दे यूज़ हैज़ नॉट विद ही शी इट एंड नॉट कम्स आफ्टर द हैज़ और हैव यूज़ द पास्ट पार्टिसिपल थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. Here is the example of present perfect tense negative like I have not finished my homework yet. She has not called me since morning. यानी जो काम अब ये कह रहे हैं कि वो पास्ट में हो चुका है लेकिन उसका कनेक्शन क्या है अभी तक प्रेजेंट के साथ है. They have not visited Paris before. We have not eaten anything since breakfast. He has not watched this movie. The next is present perfect continuous tense. The magic formula is that subject plus has, have not, been, verb ing, since or for the time. So use have not with I, you, we, they. Use has not with he, she, it. And not comes after have and has. Use been past participle before the verb ing. आपको पता है कि जो been है वो be का past participle है. What is the time connection? Action started in the past and still continues up to now. कि action जो है वो past से start होता है लेकिन अभी तक वो हो रहा होता है. We use present perfect continuous tense to talk about an action that has been going on for some time and still not finished. Here is some example of present perfect continuous tense negative. I have not been studying for 2 hours. She has not been waiting for her friend. He has not been playing video games. We have not been cooking since noon. And they have not been talking for a long time. Use have not, has not been, verb ing, since, for the time. Hope so you guys understand. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.